Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Santa Claus surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Santa Claus surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle, kind of like I'm making a Christmas card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold down the middle. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I need to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Santa's nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape for a nose right here. Next, let's make his mustache. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down like this. And then same thing here, we're going to go up, and then we're just going to come down and back up. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down. Now, starting here, let's make the eyes. So I'm just going to begin by making a circle for one eye. And then over here, I'm going to make another circle for the eye. Inside of here, let's make a smaller circle, and we'll color in most of it, leaving a little white. And then same thing here, make a circle, and just fill in most of it, leaving a little bit white. For the eyebrows, let's make a line that's just going to kind of come up and back down like this. Same thing here, just kind of make this go up, curve it around, and then make it come back down. Next, starting right here, let's make a line that's going to come right across here for his hat, and we'll just kind of bring this over the eyebrows and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little bumps that just kind of come down like this to start the beard. And then I'm going to make these lines come down here with some bumps, and then we're just going to bring them up to here. We'll kind of connect it the best we can over the fold. I'm going to bring this line out a little bit farther on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line around, and we're just going to bring this over to here. Now for his hat, I'm just going to bring this right off the paper. Then I'm going to bring this line down here to a point, and then over to here. And let's go ahead and make a nice circle at the end. Starting here, let's draw a line down here, and a line over here for his body. Then right across here, let's go ahead and make a long line for his belt. We can put two little lines here for the buckle, and then two more lines in here for part of the suit. Let's make a line that's going to come down and then in with another line here. And then let's do that same thing over here. Just bring this down and in and put another line for some detail on the suit. Put a line down here and a line down here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Santa Claus. So let's start here, and I'm just going to begin by making this line come down and up for part of the mustache. And then same thing here, just going to bring this down and then up here. I'm keeping it underneath the fold too. Next, right underneath the fold, let's just draw a line that's going to come down, and then another line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make a nice curve in here for some teeth. Let's make some lines that come down. So we can kind of make it look like Santa's got a nice big smile. Now, down here, I'm just going to make another smiley face shape. I'll make a line that's going to come up and curve across and then come down for teeth. And then we're going to make some more little lines come down here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down for the tongue. Now, let's make some fun snacks inside of here for Santa Claus. So, over here, let's make a cookie. So let's just make a roundish kind of C shape. But then inside here, I'm going to make some bumps so it looks like there's a bite. Let's make some circle shapes on here so it looks like there are chocolate chips on the cookie. Over here, let's make a candy cane. So let's make a line that's just going to come up, and then we're going to curve it down like a hook. Let's make a curve here, and a curve here. Then let's bring this line up, and then down. Next, let's go ahead and put some nice little curves on here for some detail on our candy cane. Over here, let's make a glass of milk. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it over and then bring it down. Then let's put a little curve here. Let's make a line here for the cup. And then let's make a wiggly line in here for the milk. Next, let's go ahead and bring this line down, and we're going to bring it to here. And then same thing here, we're going to bring this line down, kind of jumping over everything, and we're just going to connect it right here. Next, let's go ahead and make some more bumpy lines right around here for Santa's beard. And we'll do that same thing here, just kind of jumping over everything. And we're just going to put some bumps to connect it. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Santa Claus surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got our nice looking little Santa, and then when we open it, we can see him eating all sorts of fun Christmas snacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.